1 plus L2 divided by A2 into mu 0 into mu R2 plus L3 divided by A3 mu 0 into mu R3 plus last one is your what? Plus Lg divided by Ag into mu naught. Understood up to this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Vinita, you got it? Vabhya, Vinita,
Yes, ma'am, got it.
Aryaman, you understood? Aryaman, Utkal, you got it? Aryaman, Utkal, respond.
Yes, ma'am.
Who is telling yes, madam?
Utkal.
Okay. So now here you see phi divided by A is what? Can you tell me? Phi is multiplied with everyone. Phi divided by is what? Tell me. You know that B is equal to how much? Phi divided by A?
Magnetic field density.
Yes, very good. Magnetic flux density. So that is, I can write down, I write down as phi divided by A1 mu 0. थोड़ा चेक करके लिखो, हाँ, मैं कभी कभी ये गलत कर देती हूँ. L1 plus phi divided by A2 into mu 0 into mu R2 multiplied with L2 plus phi divided by A3 mu 0 into mu R3 plus how much? Phi
हम
divided
L3 मल्टीप्लाई होगा ना उसमें.
हाँ, ठीक, good, very good. Phi divided by how much? Ag into mu 0 multiplied with Lg. सही है ना अभी? Or anybody anything I have left? It's correct, na?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
okay, very good. Now phi divided by A1 I can write down as B1 divided by mu 0 into mu R1 multiplied with L1 plus B2 divided by mu 0 into mu R2 multiplied with L2 plus B3 divided by mu 0 into mu R3 multiply, ये भी थोड़ा चेक करके लिखो, हाँ, plus how much? Bg divided by mu z multiplied with Lg. Now it is correct, na?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
हम L3 होगा वहाँ पे.
L3.
Yes.
Lg cube.
Thank you.
होगा.
L3.
वो दूसरा नहीं.
Now another equation, you know that what is the relation between B and H? B is equal
B
to
equal to mu into H.
very good. B is equal to mu H. So this will be equal to how much? Can I write down it is H1 into L1 plus H2 into L2 plus H3 into L3 plus Hg into Lg. Am I correct or not? Tell me.
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So what is your total MMF? Tell me. Total MMF is equal to how much?
H1
H1 L1 plus H2 L2 plus H3 L3 plus Hg into how much? Lg. This is the formula for a composite magnetic circuit where the circuits are connected in series or parallel. Parallel तुम्हारे कोर्स में नहीं है.
Series.
Only series circuit is there. Anybody having doubt? All of you have written or anything you have not written? Tell me. I will move the board.
थोड़ा सा ऊपर कीजिए.
कैलकुलेटर रखो पास में, अभी प्रॉब्लम्स करना है. इधर सत्यव्रत
यस मैम. मैम बस थोड़ा देखना था. यस मैम हो गया.
हो गया. All of you keep your calculator with you. Written?
Yes, ma'am.
Now come to problems. Here you will get problems. Definitely you are getting one or two problems. Number 1. An iron ring, write down the question with me, has a cross-sectional area of 400 mm square. 400 mm square and a mean diameter of 25 centimeter. It is owned with 500 tons. 500 tons. If the value of relative permeability, if the relative permeability is 250, find the total magnetic flux set up. Find the total magnetic flux set up in the ring. ये सब मैग्नेटिक सर्किट का प्रॉब्लम जितना है वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग है. Coil resistance is 470. Arnav, are you writing? And the
Yes, ma'am.
okay, supply voltage is अभिजीत क्या आज absent है?
No ma'am, present है.
प्रेजेंट हो? लिखो, जल्दी लिखो, क्वेश्चंस क्विकली लिखो. 1, 2, how many problems we'll do, you know? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 problems we'll do. First, write down, after reading the questions, write down the given values first. Okay, draw the circuit, write down the given values. Draw the circuit and written, all of you, question have you written or not? Tell me.
Yes, ma'am. Question written.
All of you have written? I will move the board or I will stay? Written? Okay. You will tell me the values. Now here, draw the circuit. Draw the circuit and do. Just wait 1 second. Hello. आओ ना किछ असुविधा हाँ ठीक है किछ असुविधा written. Now draw the circuit. Now draw the circuit. Now you are having I have not read the question. You will tell me what are the values. This is an iron ring of magnetic circuit where there is a coil. Tell me what is the coil resistance?
474.
Very good. R is equal to, ये जो problems today I am doing now, all of you listen. Whatever 6 problems I will do now, if you will understand these problems or if you will be concentrating these 6 problems in the class, you will do all the problems which will be given in the exam. Try to understand the problems. So now I am starting till even if your theory is not clear, your concept will be clear by doing these 6 problems. Those 6 problems, only if you'll do properly, if you understand, you can do all the problems. Whatever the problems will come in the exam. Okay, try to be attentive in that. So now resistance is R is given as how much ohm? 474 ohm. Then what are the values? Tell me. Current is there. Yes, tell me what
240
are the
volt.
240 volt B here. Then what else are given?
Number of tons 500.
Number of tons N
500.
equal to 500. Very good. Then
Ma'am, diameter 25 centimeter.
diameter, mean diameter or what? Only diameter.
Mean diameter.
मीन डायमीटर बोलो
Yes,
डायमीटर बोलोगे तो दो डायमीटर होगा मीन डायमीटर मीन्स दिस वन ओके
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
this is equal to how much 25
25 centimeter.
centimeter okay then what else are given
Ma'am, sectional area.
relative permeability is equal to how much 250
50.
very good then anything left
Ma'am, cross sectional area is 400
400
meter
meter is
okay very good A is equal to 400 mm square this much anything else I don't think I've written everything I think
No,
Yes,
ma'am,
ma'am.
that much.
that much so cross sectional area is your how much yeah 400 mm square
Square.
right so now here you see I am having voltage I am having resistance what is the current flowing I can get it
Yes,
yes or no
Yes, ma'am.
I is equal to how much V divided by R
Divided.
simple so this is my 240 divided by 400 474 right
Yes.
so this will come as how much
0.505 0.506
very nice
0.5.
who is answering very good
Good.
Good.
Is the answer 0.8 milliweber?
नहीं तो इतना
Ma'am,
कम
0.02
मैम
आएगा.
0.02
is 0.02.
नहीं
मैम
कहाँ?
1.25
फ्लक्स का
हाँ, फ्लक्स
Yes,
ना.
ma'am.
इतना कम क्यों आएगा नहीं तो
0.02
नो जीरो में क्यों आ रहा है
मैम 1.25
अच्छा क्या 1.25 into how much
मैम nothing
Ma'am, 10.
मैम 10 to power -7 वहाँ से.
मेरा आंसर आ रहा है
Ma'am, 10.1.
मेरा आंसर आ रहा है 40.48 into 10 to the power of minus 6
यस मैम यही आएगा मैम. मैम इसको
यही आ रहा है
कन्वर्ट
क्या?
कर देंगे मैम वेबर में
अच्छा,
तो 0.02 आ जाएगा.
ठीक है देन इट इज
में तो है
हाँ ठीक है
नहीं वो
So-
10 to power -6 को ले लेंगे अंदर.
हाँ 10 to the power 5 minus 6 40.48 into
हाँ यही है मैम.
हाँ ठीक है ये तो सिंपल कैलकुलेशन है कर लो so L is equal to how much L is equal to pi into D I have got the diameter so this will be 0.785 meter okay all of you understand then copy don't just copy it I am telling you repeatedly I will be waiting don't worry जो concept clear करके जाओ फिर पता नहीं चलेगा तुमको कहाँ पर किस वैल्यू डालना है H is equal to how much formula is H is equal to Ni divided by L how much it is coming H is equal to Ni divided by L this is coming as 322.13 ampere turns per meter okay written all of you written
Yes, ma'am.
anybody who is not able to understand tell me Ayushi you understood आयुषी चेतना छवि अनिका रितिका और कौन कौन है सब गर्ल्स भव्या विभू कल्याणी ऑल ऑफ यू गॉट इट
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
वैष्णवी ओके वेरी गुड सो हाँ एक्सक्यूज मी मैम हु वाज टेलिंग टेल मी एनी डाउट यू आर टेलिंग having हाँ somebody was asking no doubt okay simple formula I am putting then B is हाँ
आ गया मैम 40 आया टोटल
P is equal to mu H, put the values 0.1012 Weber per meter square it is coming. So phi is equal to B into A. कर दो, this will be 40.48 into 10 to the power of minus 6 Weber. Got it? Written all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
All of you written. I will see. Move to the page number 2.
Yes, ma'am. Already written.
Very good. Now coming to the second problem. Magnetic flux density. A magnetic flux density of अब जल्दी लिखना. B is equal to B मत लिखो. 1.2 Weber per meter square is required in the 2 mm air gap of an electromagnet having an iron path of 1 meter long. Calculate the MMF. Calculate the MMF required. Assuming a relative permeability of iron. Write down relative permeability of iron. थोड़ा शॉर्ट कर देती हूँ. Iron as 1500. Find out. Neglect leakage. There is no leakage flux. Neglect leakage. पढ़ो question पर. First, all of you read the
मैम
question.
n कितना है मैम? n
n कहाँ लिखी हूँ? n नहीं दिया है. No n is given.
Okay.
Questions. Read the question properly. Write down first the given values. Okay. करो. You have to find out the MMF required. MMF I have told you, just now I have told you. Yes or no? Just now I have told you. Written all of your question. Just wait 1 second. Hello. ये कुठले? ना. कुठे पहिले कुठे? ओहो सीट. हाँ दिनेश कह. नहीं मु क्लास रे अछि. हाँ. अच्छा हो. ठीक है. मु तुमको क्लास पर आउ तक कॉल करके बुझ देब है ना. आधा घंटा पर. ठीक है. Yes. How much you have proceeded? Tell me. What are the given values? Tell me. You see this problem is of a composite magnetic circuit. What are the materials we are using here? Tell me. We are having an what? Understand the question. We are having an iron. Another one you are having an air gap. Yes
Air
or no?
gap.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, two materials we are having, one air gap, another one is iron. So we are having a magnetic material where we are having an air gap or and iron. Yes or no? This is my air gap. What are the values given? Tell me.
Ma'am, B 1.2 Weber per meter square.
Flux density 1.2 मैम.
Yes. See how easily you can solve it. Understand all of you properly first. Okay. So B is given as, you tell me just the value. B is equal to 1.2
1.2.
Weber per meter square. Then
Mu R, ma'am, 1500.
mu R I is your 1500. Then
LG 2 millimeter.
AR gap is equal to 2 mm. What else are given? I think it is
Length of iron
Length
path, ma'am.
of iron.
length of
1 meter.
the iron is 1 meter. Okay. Any other thing? No. Now how do you proceed? Tell me. What is my formula of total MMF? Just tell me. What is my total MMF? What is the formula? I have told you. Just today only I have explained. Total MMF का
Ma'am, B
formula.
upon mu naught into mu R.
तो simple
H1L1 plus H2L1.
HI LI plus how much? HG into LG.
Yes, ma'am. ये भी.
Am I correct or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Shibam, understood or not? Shibam respond कर रहा है कौन?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Subham, you got it? HG into LG. So now we will find out what is HG and what is HI. Okay, first we will find out what is the value of HI.
HI.
Okay, HI is how much? Tell me. HI is equal to how much? Can I write down B divided by mu 0 into mu Ri? Okay, this is 1.2. This is 4 pi into 10 to the power of minus 7 multiply with 1500. Yes or no? This will come as 637 ampere turn per meter. Clear? Got it?
Yes,
what is the value of HG? Tell me. HG is equal to how much? B
1.2
divided by mu 0.
Yes, ma'am.
1.2 divided by how much? Put the formula and find out the answer.
4 pi
Nothing
into
else
10 to
you
power
need.
minus 7.
Minus 7. This will come as 955 multiplied
9
with 10 to the power 3 ampere turns per meter. Understood? Okay. So now what will be your total MMF? Tell me. Total MMF will be equal to how much?
मैम L से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे मैम.
हाँ करो.
मैम
637 multiplied with 1 plus how much?
9
plus 955 multiplied with 10 to the power of 3. 2 mm मतलब कितना मीटर?
2 into 10 to power
minus 3. Okay, so this will come as how much? Come as 2547. हो गया? क्या डिफिकल्ट था मुझे बोलो तो? कुछ डिफिकल्ट है?
मैम क्वेश्चन समझ में
नहीं आएगा.
समझ मतलब क्वेश्चन अगर अच्छे
हाँ ठीक है. ये उसी तरफ से और एक क्वेश्चन दे रहे हो. ऑल ऑफ यू हैव रिटन? Written all of you or not? Tell me. अरे yes or no मुझे बोलो तो. Okay, another question do.
Yes, ma'am.
An iron ring of cross-sectional area of 6 centimeters square is wound with a wear of 100 tons. Number of tons is given and has a cut of 2 mm. Calculate the magnetizing current. Calculate the magnetizing current required to produce a magnetic flux of flux of 0.1 milliweber if mean length of magnetic path is 30 centimeter and relative permeability of iron mu ri लिख देती हूँ is equal to 470. Same way which I have done it in the previous problem number 2, same way you do it, this one. You have to find out here the magnetizing current. In the previous problem, you have found out the MMF. Here you will find out the magnetizing current. What are the given values? Tell me. Written all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
All of you have written? Okay. Yes, tell me. What are the given values?
Area, ma'am, area of cross section.
Area of cross section. Kiska area of cross section? How many materials are there? 2 materials, iron or gap.
Gap.
Okay. So now what is the answer? Yes, tell me. What is the
Iron cross sectional area is 6 centimeter square.
area of cross sectional area of iron ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Iron ring.
Iron का कितना है?
Ma'am,
6 centimeter.
square.
6 centimeter square.
Number of wounded wire turnings are 100 turns.
6 centimeter square. Now n is equal to how much? 100.
100.
Then और क्या वैल्यूज है?
Ma'am, mu ri equal to 470.
Mu ri is equal to 470. Any other?
And flux equal to 0.1 milliweber.
0.1 milli मतलब 10 to the power of -3 और हैं? और कुछ नहीं?
Li 30 cm.
Li कितना है?
30 cm.
Mean length equal to 30 cm.
मीन लेंथ ऑफ किसका? एयर का या
Magnetic path.
Magnetic path.
मीन लेंथ ऑफ आई इज इक्वल टू 30 सेंटीमीटर. देन
Cut off 0.2. Sorry.
मतलब एलजी
Lg equal to 2 mm.
2
एलजी
mm.
2 mm. ओके कंप्लीट. I think all of everything was written. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So now come to I have got the flux. I have got the area of cross section.
Yes, ma'am.
So what is my B? Simple B is equal to phi divided by A. How much it is? Phi is 0.1 into 10 to the power of -3 divided by A is 6 centimeter square. मतलब मीटर को कन्वर्ट करोगे तो 10 to the power of -4. -4 तो या कितना? अरे सेंटीमीटर से मीटर को कन्वर्ट करोगे तो कितना? ठीक है तो सही है तो हाँ? ये -4 या -2?
-2.
हाँ,
मैम स्क्वायर भी तो है.
Square है ना?
स्क्वायर है ना.
Minus 4 ही होगा.
-4.
-4 होगा ना, स्क्वायर है ना.
Square दिया है.
Yes, ma'am.
So -4. Okay. So this is
0.167.
yes, very good. So now I will find out what is my Hg Lg. I will find out Hg Lg मतलब क्या है? वो एम्पियर टर्न्स है ना. Okay, what is the ampere turns for ampere turns? 80 for air gap. 80 for air gap I will find out. That means I will find out what is Hg Lg. Got it or not?
Yes, ma'am.
My simple equation is total MMF means what? Total MMF is nothing but your total ampere turns, right? What is the unit of MMF? Ampere turns. So total MMF is equal, got it or not? Total
Yes.
MMF is equal to ampere turns per air gap, ampere turns per iron. Okay, you first find out for iron. तुम सोचोगे मैडम क्यों AR को पहले लिखे, iron को लिखो. Ampere turns per iron. First you find out for iron. What is my HI? HI is equal to B divided by mu
naught
0
mu
into mu Ri. So this is 0.167 divided by 4 pi into 10 to the power of minus 7 multiply with कितना है 470 है ना?
470.
So this will
2 into 10 per minus 5.
10 to the power minus 5 आया वैष्णवी? क्यों? 10 to the power minus
डायरेक्ट हो गया
Direct
देखो तो और एक बार चेक करो वैष्णवी.
Yes, ma'am. Correct.
हाँ, this will be 282.75 ampere turns per meter. इतना आएगा. Okay, you check it. हाँ. So now we will get ampere turns for iron. So ampere turns for
air gap.
iron is equal to HI into Li. Yes or no? So this is 282.75 multiplied with कितना है? Li कितना है? हाँ? What is the value of Li?
30.
37 bm को convert करो मीटर में 0.3 ना?
0.3.
सेंटीमीटर को मीटर 0.3. So this will be equal to 84.83. This is ampere turns per iron. Got it all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Any
ma'am.
confusion? No confusion.
No, ma'am.
Okay. So now come to ampere turns for air gap. Ampere turns for air gap. So what is my Hg? I will find out Hg.
मैम मीन लेंथ है ना तो पाई से इंटू नहीं करेंगे.
मीन लेंथ है तो L तो है ना, लेंथ है तो पाई को क्यों मल्टीप्लाई करोगे?
Ma'am, is the answer 3.49 ampere?
3.49. Yes, yes. Who come? Amis?
No, ma'am, Kostav.
Kostav. Yes, yes. Correct. हाँ, मीन लेंथ है ना, पाई को क्यों मल्टीप्लाई करोगे? ये तो मीन लेंथ डायरेक्ट तो दिया हुआ है ना. Who was asking? Tell me, you got it or any?
Okay, ma'am.
L is given. In that case, what was given? Your diameter
In
was
the
given.
first question there is also mean length is given, I think so.
देखेंगे कहाँ पर मीन लेंथ था इसमें.
Yes, ma'am. Pi L equal to.
कहाँ गया मेरा प्रॉब्लम? फर्स्ट प्रॉब्लम कहाँ गया? मीन डायमीटर था ना, ये प्रॉब्लम
Mean
था.
diameter. Okay, ma'am. Mean diameter.
ये पर दिया डायमीटर था. ठीक है.
Okay, ma'am.
So now here you will find out HT for air gap. HT for AT for air gap, ampere turns per air gap is BHG is equal to how much?
Ma'am, B by mu naught.
divided by mu naught. So this is B is equal to 0.167 divided by 4 pi into 10 to the power of minus 7. So this will come as 132.9 into 10 to the power of 3 ampere turns per meter. वैष्णवी तुम्हारा आया
Yes, ma'am.
आंसर?
10 to the power minus 7 छूट गया था मैम, आ गया मैम.
ठीक है. So now ampere turns for yes. So now here you are getting ampere turns per air gap this much. So what is your total Hg into Lg? Ampere turns for gap will be equal to Hg into Lg. So this is 132.9 into 10 to the power of 3 multiplied with gap क्या?
2 mm.
2 mm मतलब मीटर को कन्वर्ट करोगे
centimeter.
0.02.
2 into 10
2
to the power
minus 2.
minus 3. So this will be 265.8 answer. So what will be your total ampere turns? Tell me. So total MMF is equal to the total ampere turns. Yes or no? Tell me. This will be equal to 200. फर्स्ट वाला कितना आया था 265.8 प्लस एयर गैप दिस वन प्लस फर्स्ट वाला कितना आया था 84 ना
4.825 350.40
350.40. Okay, this much.
Yes, ma'am.
This much your ampere turns. Now what you need to find out? Magnetizing current. Magnetizing current का क्या formula है? What is the relation between MMF magnetizing current? Magnetizing, हाँ बोलो.
मैम डिवाइड कर देंगे
हाँ किसके साथ डिवाइड करोगे?
nth के साथ.
हाँ very good. So this will be
Yes, ma'am.
350.40 divided by 100. How much it is? 3.
3.50.
3.504.
Okay, 3.51. 504 आ रहा है.
Yes, ma'am.
04 आ रहा है तो 0 लिख दो.
350.40 है ना, डिवाइड बाय 100 करेंगे तो
हाँ
0.504 होगा.
ठीक है 50 लिख दो. ओके
Yes, ma'am.
और लास्ट वाला एक क्वेश्चन और करो, टाइम नहीं होगा. 2 क्वेश्चन
5 मिनट है मैम, छोड़ दीजिए. 4 मिनट है.
लास्ट क्लास में क्यों छोड़ दो? हाँ ठीक है 3-4 क्लास कर दियो, पूरा बोर हो गए हो. लास्ट क्वेश्चन. आयरन रिंग, an iron ring of, ये वाला this one I will not do, you will do, has a mean diameter of 15 centimeter. A cross sectional area of 20 centimeter square and a gap of 0.5 mm. It is wound with 1500 tons. It is wound with 1500 tons and a magnetizing current of 1 ampere produces a magnetic flux of 1 milliweber. Neglecting leakage, you have to find first bit, you will find out reluctance, second bit B, relative permeability of iron. Relative permeability of iron. करो जल्दी करो, 5 मिनट है, 5 मिनट के अंदर खत्म करो. इतना सारा प्रॉब्लम्स क्यों, जल्दी खत्म करो. Written all of you question, all of you have written or not?
yes ma'am.
Yes. How will you find out? Tell me. पहले first find out total ampere turns. Ampere turns can you find out or not?
Yes, ma'am. निकाल दूंगा.
B is equal to how much? Tell me. 5 divided by A. Phi is how much it is given? See in the question it is given as 1 milliweber. 1 into 10 to the power of minus 3. Divided by A given as how much? 20 centimeter.
20 centimeter square.
20 into 10 to the power of minus 4. So this will come as 0.5 Weber per meter square. Suprasad, તમે बुझ पारलो?
Ma'am, 1.5 into 10 to the power
Yes,
minus
ma'am.
6.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ क्या हुआ? So Satyavrata, what happened?
मैंने कुछ नहीं बोला.
Oh, who? Yes, tell me. Somebody
Ma'am,
was asking.
1.5 into 10 to the power minus 6.
कौन आ रहा है? 1.5. हाँ, 10 to the power minus 6. कौन? Which one? Reluctance.
Yes, ma'am.
माइनस तो नहीं आएगा, 10 to the power 5 आ रहा है।
पॉजिटिव
देखो देखो इधर कहाँ पर कियो।
मैम 15 into 10 to the power 5 sorry minus
हाँ
5
हाँ 15 into 10 to the power 5.
Five,
Yes,
हाँ.
yes, good. So B is equal to 5 into A, 5 by A. Then ampere turns for air gap will be equal to how much? Ampere turns per air gap, how much it is coming? Hg, you will get it as 398.10 to the power of 3 ampere turns per meter. Then Lg is given as how much? 0.5 into 10 to the power minus 3 meter. Okay, so you will find out Hg into Lg will be equal to 199 you are getting. Are you getting or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Ampere turns for iron. Iron will be equal to Hg, you will get it as how much you are getting? Ampere turns Hg you will...
मैम
Yes.
HI ना आयरन के लिए HI
हाँ, HI how will you find out? You cannot find out. Because relative permeability is not given.
mu तो दिया नहीं
So
है
total ampere turns is equal to how much? Ni? That
Yes,
is
ma'am.
equal to 1500
Ni upon L.
1500. Okay, so ampere turn for iron will be, understand properly, ampere turns of iron will be total ampere turns minus how much? Ampere turns of
199.
Understood? How will you find out? Got it or not, all of you?
Yes,
Yes,
got
ma'am.
Okay, so this will be 1500 minus how much? 199. So this is 1301. So from here we can find out HI as ampere turns of iron divided by how much? Li. So this is 1301. Li is given as 0.471. So this is 2762 ampere turns per Weber. You got it? How this process I am finding out the value of HI? Understood all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
So now last one is your mu R. Mu R is equal to how much? B divided by...
143.9.
mu 0 into HI. So this will come as 144.
Yes, 143.9 आ रहा है.
हाँ 143
वो round
तो
over करके
144 हाँ 144. Then last one is reluctance. Reluctance will be equal to how much? Reluctance S is equal to total MMF divided
L
by
by
how
A
much?
mu naught mu R.
Magnetic flux. Fine. So this is total MMF given as 1500 divided by
1500.
flux is 1 into 10 to the power of minus. So this will come as 15 into
1.5 into 10 to the power minus 6.
10 to the power of 5 ना?
Minus, yes,
Minus 5. Sorry, 5.
माइनस क्यों होगा 5?
मैम गलती से माइनस बोल दिया 5.
हाँ हाँ ठीक है. So this is how you will do. All of you got it?
Excuse me मैम.
हाँ
मैम
बोलो.
जो HI है वो Ni upon L लेके नहीं कर सकते.
Ni कहाँ है तुम्हारा?
मैम वो
करंट है टर्न
HI
है.
की बात कर रहे टोटल 80.
सुनो Ni divided by L, then you have to take a total L, length of the gap plus length of the iron.
Iron. Yes ma'am.
तुम आयरन को लेकर के नहीं कर सकते हो because you are having an air gap. Understood?
Yes ma'am.
You got it. So when you are taking the turns, then L, when you will take, then you will take the total length.
Total L.
Yes. Okay.
Yes ma'am.
Yes.
Length of the magnet.
Okay, you can leave. Those who have given the attendance, completed the problem, you can leave.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Chalo.